Here I have ZTE AXON 20 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button record screen. So by holding a finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can select video quality, and you can record touch interactions. So in order to start recording, you just tap on this button once, and after that this kind of menu appears. Here you can switch your microphone, and yeah. So to start recording, just tap on this red button, and after that recording starts. You can pause recording by tapping on these two stripes here, and then you can play it again by tapping on the red button. And to end your recording, you have to tap on this square icon, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery. No, I don't want to update now. I just want to watch recording. Oh damn. Okay, so photos don't let me in. They command me to update them now. So I'm gonna open recording through the file manager. So it will be saved to the videos screenshots folder, and here is our recording. You can't hear my voice because of the do not disturb mode. Like you can see that the image moves, but for some reason my voice haven't been recorded. I don't know, maybe there's some problem, or I don't get it. And from here you can share, edit or delete your recording, or perform some other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.